It is moving day. 33 degrees out in the state of Florida. Can you believe it? 33 degrees in the morning. It's one of those days. It's one of the 3 or 4 days a year this happens. Tomorrow it'll probably be a 100. I'm guessing. Welcome everybody to a daily moving, not a daily vlog, an almost daily vlog, and let's make it an almost weekly vlog. On a moving day here in beautiful Wildwood, Florida, my home. We're getting ready to pack up and move to a town called Eustis for 14 days before heading back to Orlando for another 14 days. It's the high season, so every 14 days at the Thousand Trails campground systems, you have to move. And I think that continues on all the way through the month of March. Definitely gonna miss the scenery out the back window, but I mean, I'll still be here every day because I actually work here. Well, not at the campground, but just to them trees about a half a mile. I think I'm gonna start needing some new stickers because these ones are starting to get just a little bit old. James Cantonese, Nomadic Hippie, you better send me a sticker. Buckeye, the Weather Boys, Happy Place, Stuff Stuck in a Truck. Yeah, I'm gonna need some new stickers. And look at this classic, my old YouTube channel. Yes. There's nothing there for you to see. And next time I'm over at Disney, definitely gonna have to get another one of these. It was silver, kind of looked like a mirror back in the day, but Florida sun and weather kind of made it bad. That needs to be power washed. Because we drive 2 cars and an RV, one of us always has to leave our car at the campground we just left, then drive, however far it is to the next one, set up camp, and then come back and get the other person's car. Usually it's me leaving my car because I drive the RV. And where I was gonna park the car is the red bus, the blood donation bus. That's where I park my car, so guess that's not gonna happen today. Maybe swimming pool. Yeah, maybe swimming pool. All right, checked out pretty much for the most part. I think I'm gonna go donate a little bit of blood. And the reason I'm getting kind of excited is because of this Apple Watch. I'm not an Apple Watch person. I have my Samsung Watch also, but there's something about the Apple Watch that makes you want to walk and you want to close these stupid rings. Don't know what it is about it, but I've been knowing since I've had the watch, not since I've had the bicycle, not since I've had the skateboard, but since I've had the watch. The watch is the thing that has made me more active. So I am trying to get as many steps in as possible. That's why I parked over here by the swimming pool, and I'm gonna walk down quite a ways and get my steps in, maybe donate a little bit of blood, and then hop in the RV and get out of here. And it's a long way. We're up at the top of the campground now. I mean, I could have brought my skateboard, but what fun would that be? One low price. What is indoor chair volleyball? You sit on a chair and play volleyball? Okay, that's got to be difficult. Unlimited camping. Oh, I get it. One low price, unlimited camping. Learn about the new adventure membership now. I like what I've had, or have had, and continue to have. Yeah, you see all these things on Facebook and stuff like that. There's these Thousand Trails groups, the good, the bad, the ugly of Thousand Trails. And a lot of people don't like it. I don't know what it is about it. During the high season like this, when all the people from up north are down here, it makes it a little bit difficult. And I've been guilty of not saying nice things about the people from up north that come down here and clog up the campgrounds. But this year, I mean, yeah, as you'll see when we get to the next campground, it is jam-packed. But at places like this, it's not too bad. We got lots of room. It's nice. But where we're going, they are new in the Thousand Trails. They've been a place called Encore for many, 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 many years. And due to the hurricanes and the flooding in South Florida, they opened up the Thousand Trails too. So now they're a part of the Thousand Trails system. And now everybody's using them. And I get it. I mean, Florida's limited. We're like one of the biggest RV states. You know, Arizona's another one, obviously. But Florida's another one that people flock to during the wintertime. And living in the Sunshine State, well, sometimes you just have to put up with things like that and get used to it. And after many years, well, not many, I've only been doing this life for about 4 years now, but you get used to it. All right, I shall return. I am going to jump inside that bus right there and let the vampires in there take what they will. All right, I am done. Time to walk back, finally get the heck out of here. Didn't take too long, fairly painless. I only cried once. When Steph stuck in a truck gets back here, she's going to be proud of me. She's going to be proud. Look at the hole on this putt-putt golf course. It's got a gator. Yeah, they say that a lot of people are getting out of this lifestyle. I don't see that happening. In fact, when I was just at the office talking to them, they said they've never been busier. That the bookings, the scheduling, and the stuff they do to try and keep us in the system as long as possible, it's just getting harder and harder. But during COVID, it was crazy. Or the C word. Oop, I said the C word wrong. Hope I don't get flagged for that. But during that time, it was like pretty crazy. And then everybody was everybody was working from home, quitting their jobs, living this lifestyle. And then nowadays, a lot of people supposedly had gotten homes again, went back to real jobs at their prospective careers or whatever, or changed careers and got new jobs. Instead of the digital people that do YouTube and sell stuff online and stuff like these, like everybody here does, or a lot of the people here do. But it's I don't see it dying anytime soon. I think everybody kind of enjoys. The people that are here now doing this lifestyle are really happy, I think, for the most part. I mean, there are things that we miss about home life. Steph brings it up quite a bit. Having a really nice big bathroom. That's what girls like. Girls like big bathrooms. Guys, we just want to get in there and get done and get out. Girls love big bathrooms. Big kitchens, big living rooms, lots of space, lots of shelves to put stuff on. Those are things that you miss living in a home. But you learn to downsize. All right, let's finish cleaning all this stuff up and get the heck out of Dodge. Well, out of Wildwood, not Dodge. And the race is on to get out of the villages. We are rolling down the road, saying goodbye at least for an hour or two until I come back to get my car. Steph's stuck in a truck that's somewhere back there behind me. I think she's right on my bumper. Yeah, she's on my bumper. We don't have a tow hitch on Cousin Eddie, and plus you can't really tow electric cars. So this is kind of the reason we do what we do. We don't tow one car and drive the other. We drive both cars that always have to be one behind. Well, we made it. Swimming pool is empty, maybe even the hot tub. Ain't gonna have time to enjoy it today though, because I am gonna have to go get my car. I was a little bit worried I was gonna run out of fuel on the way here. I'm on empty. I should have stopped before coming into the campground and got fuel. I like to do that, but sometimes I just like to get to the campground knowing that 7-Eleven is just down the street. Not a big deal. At the moment, it was fairly easy getting in. Lots of empty spots, but I guess tomorrow is an RV rally, and 100 RVs are going to be coming in, filling this place up. It's going to be a little bit crazy. Steph was actually here last year during that rally, but not me. You can tell it's breezy. This will be my first one. Not my first breeze, my first time being at a campground during a rally. Anyways, that's moving day. That was it. Steph stays sleeping. I get up and have to do everything. She's not even back talking that. She's not sassing me. The dog is. The dog is sassing me. It is what it is. Anyway, until the next time, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys from down the road. Until then, peace out, everybody.